Hey there. Sorry about that. Holman's Outdoor Solutions here. I'm doing a video there isn't very much topic on YouTube. And this video might find someone that actually can benefit off it. So this is a park brake valve on my L8000 Ford. And the old one, which is right here, was leaking around this crack. I haven't taken it apart, hadn't really looked into it. I just bought a new one of these because it was super cheap, 34 bucks. So I don't know, I might throw this one on eBay and maybe sell it cheap. Maybe someone can rebuild it. You can take it apart and fix, I'm sure there's O-rings and whatnot inside of there. It's got the little plate right here. But mine is located back behind this little panel right here. It screws into here. And these hoses back in here hook to it. And this one goes on, see that one right there, and that one hooked to this double hookup valve here. And then that one right here hooks up to this little one on the side. And then this one right here hooks up to this other one on the side. And then the one on the very back hooks up to this one right here. So you pretty much unscrew these nuts, take the old one off. And this one was really hard to get off. Pull it off, take all these fittings, unscrew them out the old one. I put Teflon tape on every one of them. Put them back into the new valve, and then you pretty much just screw the air lines back up to the correct spots, stick this end through the hole, and then I got a locking nut right there. Screw it down and put your yeller valve pull handle knob here. Put it back on, and then you're good to go. It's super easy to do. If you're mechanically inclined, you can do it under an hour easily.